Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews. Of course, a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. Now, this is kind of a different review. I initially clumped this review together with a larger review of some of my favorite fountain pens. That larger video is up here. You can go and check that out. But today, this review is going to be my full thoughts, pros, cons, everything, my full version, extended cut version of this review of this fountain pen. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of these, definitely check out the links below. Enjoy. Next is a pen from the company Machine Era, and this one is their fountain kit. Machine Era reached out to me with this pen a long time ago, and unfortunately, I never got around to reviewing it. This pen is actually not available anymore, but I still wanted to mention this because I think it's such a great fountain pen. Now, as the name suggests, this is the fountain kit, which means it is a fountain pen as well as a rollerball pen, depending on which setup you'd like. So essentially, it comes with everything you need for either the fountain pen or the rollerball. And for the rollerball configuration, all you really have to do is replace the nib unit with the rollerball unit and use the ink just like you would on a fountain pen. I think this is an ingenious design that needs to happen more, and I really wish that Machine Era would make this pen available again. This is a beautiful pen. This is designed and made in the USA, and it's based on one of their really popular pens that they sell. This one is made of solid brass, and it is not super heavy. It is really a perfect weight for the size here. On the side, there's 3 ink windows, so you can see the ink levels on the inside, and there is a small cap on the top that screws into place. But what I love is that you can post the top on the back, and there's little threads on the end of the pen barrel, and you can screw in the cap right there. Sometimes it's a little fiddly to kind of get the cap into place, but I like this small attention to detail here that really doesn't change the shape and adds just an extra function to where you can put the cap on the back and post it. I find that I really like to post this just because it's fun to put on the cap. Now, it comes with a long international cartridge and a converter on the inside, and I have this one inked up with Robert Oster Bronze, which I really like a lot. It's a really cool bronze brass colored ink, and I think it's really beautiful ink. This has a Schmidt nib with an iridium point, and I find this is a great writer. Very smooth with just a hint of feedback, and it has a very good ink flow. And this nib has a medium tip. Honestly, don't have that much to criticize with this pen. It's a great size and weight, very thin, on the lighter size for brass with a little bit of heft. I love the cap. I love that it has a rollerball option already included, and I love the price. The price is $75 for this. And for a pen like that, made in the USA with all the details here, I mean, I think you really can't beat that deal at all. My main complaint is just that it's not available anymore. So maybe you guys out there will kind of pester Machine Era and see if they can make this again, because it is a beautiful pen that I think deserves a lot more attention. I think everyone should have at least one fountain pen in their collection to write with, to enjoy the kind of slower pace that a fountain pen brings. I think it's a very enjoyable experience with writing, and I think all of these pens are excellent pens. I'd love to know your thoughts though, so if you have any favorite fountain pens that I forgot to mention, definitely leave a comment of your favorite fountain pens. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below on your way out. I'll love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews.